Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got a cool phone accessory, some hearing protection, and a liquid protective mask that we've found lots of uses for. So let's check them out. Here we have a magnetic car mount by WizGear. Now it's going to be great for anyone who wants to be hands-free while using their phone in your car, and that really should be everyone. Now the great thing about this thing is it's got a clamp that hooks onto your air vent that you can tighten so that it actually stays on your vent. I've had other ones that you just press on and you're really crossing your fingers to hope that they stay. Now the other cool thing about this is that it holds your phone with a magnet. This is a strong magnet in here, and all you have to do is put this metal plate in between your case of your phone and your phone, and it will hold your phone really, really well. You can find these at Amazon for $14, and that is a magnetic car mount by WizGear. Here we have Maxx Pillow Soft earplugs, and it's going to be a great earplug for those sick and tired of those big bulky earmuffs or the foam ones that you have to roll and shove inside of your ear canal. That is what I was used to until a reader sent me these and I had to check them out. They're made of a nice soft silicone putty that you press into your ear instead of roll up and shove into your ear canal, and they claim that it's much better for your ears. So not only do they reduce the noise by 22 decibels, but if you're a swimmer, they will also keep the water out of your ears. All you gotta do is roll them up into a ball, press them in your ears, and it'll mold and keep the noise out. So they're available online in many different quantities, and they start at $4. That is the Maxx Pillow Soft earplugs. Here we have PeelTech 150. It's a great product for those bathroom and kitchen remodelers looking to protect some surfaces while they're remodeling, and it's a great liquid masking product for painting alongside something like brick or wood paneling that's really tough to tape against. It's a liquid applied solution that when you put it on a tub or a sink creates a rubbery coating that's really easy to peel away when you're all done. So apply it on those types of things when you're doing demo around so that the tile doesn't fall down and scratch and chip, those types of things. And it will adhere to porous surfaces like brick so that you can paint this on and then paint right next to it, peel it away, and you'll have a nice crisp edge. For $80, you can get a gallon bucket like this, or for $30, you can get a quart size. They're available online at Amazon, and that is PeelTech 150. So there you have it, a magnetic car mount for your phone, a different kind of earplug, and PeelTech 150. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. So we'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.